Alrighty, we got everything unboxed. Lots of parts. Very well wrapped. Probably took an hour just to unwrap everything. But yeah, I mean, this one does have electric start, and it has a winch to move the saw head up and down. So it comes with the battery in a box, saw head, the engine, bottom rails, and the base. Still a package of a couple different bolts, semi-labeled. It does come with some instructions. They don't look very useful. Just, some pictures, and most of them are just too close to even see what's going on. So I guess between looking at pictures and finding some instructional videos maybe. But either way, we'll get it together. Update you as it goes.